So today's gonna be fine. We will prank my mother. I can't do anything right now. It's only my wife preparing the ingredients of this chicken. She's smiling right now. She's preparing the ingredients. That's a margarine or harina in Tagalog. So later I will show you how she do this, because today I'm speaking in English, because they say in the other country like USA, Canada, see my video and the ads will go out. When the ads show to the Canada or something else, salary is high. When I'm Tagalog, no salary, low. She put some oil in the pan, and then what's that? You don't put the pan some smoke. Can you hide that chicken? Because my mother, when she see that, she will not eat that. Not good. You see that? Too fry. So hello to my KFC Filipino worker there. I'm Sariwakwak TV. I'm English conference right now. Oh, it's done right now. Oh, it's really good. So finished, I will go to my mother's house. Hey, I'm vlogging right now. What can you say? Okay, it's good. So here in my country, it's too hot because 36 or something degrees Celsius. Hey, what's that? Huh? What's that?
Ice cream.
Can you give me? Can you give me? Hi, what are you doing? I'm English conference right now. Yes, I have a challenge for my mother, and what can you say about this? This is a chicken. Chicken head. Yeah, she will eat this. Here is my mother's house. Mama tang. Mama. Ma! Wait! I have challenge for you. This is 1,000 from my subscribers. Wait.
Wait.
English only, no Tagalog. Because this challenge is from my Canadian subscriber. This is my mother. This is your request. She will eat this. 30 seconds only if you finish that and eat.
Wow.
1,000 peso. This is from my Canadian subscriber. Yes. 1,000 peso, 30 seconds only.
It's very delicious.
Eat
wow.
that. Ma, dapat mabilis na kasi nakaya. Dapat mabilis mong kakainin. Wait. I have challenge. 30 seconds. Are you ready?
Yes. 30 seconds only.
30 seconds only.
Okay.
Starts right now. Huh?
30 seconds?
Yes.
Cannot be the...
20 seconds.
Must be 1 hour.
Faster.
No, I can't.
Faster, 1,000 peso. If you do not eat that in 30 seconds, no money.
I can't. This is with a bone and... What is this?
Bilisan mo, ala kaya.